Hello everyone, my name is Pratibha and I am Assistant Professor in Jaipur Engineering College and Research Center Jaipur in Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today we are going to discuss Digital Image Processing Lab that is taught in third year in RTU curriculum. In our previous lab, we have discussed our experiment number 3, that is to obtain histogram equalization of an image. Today, we are going to perform some geometric transformation on the image, that is our experiment number 4, and we are going to understand and implement program to rotate an image. The geometric transformation we can perform on the image are rotation, transformation, scaling, and resizing of the image. So first in our experiment number 4, we are going to rotate an image. So there is a function, there is a command IMRotate used to rotate an image I with the particular angle given in the clockwise direction. If we want to perform, if we want to rotate the image in, sorry, the IMRotate function rotate the image with the particular angle given in the command in anti-clockwise direction. If we want to rotate the image in clockwise direction, then we have to specify a negative value for the angle. So after rotation, the image will look like this. This is the code for rotation the image. After rotation, we can see the output. The input image is like this, and the output image after rotation is like this. Now I will run the program. I have copied the code for rotation in our live script on the MATLAB online platform. Here we are using the IMRotate command. The A variable holds our original image, that is monalisa.jpg, and B variable holds the image after rotation. And I have used 120-degree angle. You can use any of the angle. I have used positive angle, so it will rotate the image in anti-clockwise direction. If you use negative value for the angle, it will rotate the image in clockwise direction. So we will see the output of the image. So here, this is our input image, and after rotation of 120-degree in anti-clockwise direction, this is our output image. Now I will change the angle negative so that we can get the output in clockwise direction. So I am going to rotate the image in clockwise direction with the angle 45 degree. So I will again run the program. Here we can see that the input image is this, and after performing rotation of 45 degree in clockwise direction, the output image will be like this. So it is all about the program experiment rotation of the image. In our next lecture, we will see resizing of the image. Thank you, students.